Sige, go. Kain lang kayo, guys. Okay, so we're gonna see Chris drive. Oh, hello.
Wait lang, lagay ko yung camera ko.
We're back with Sky.
Winter collection. Fall winter.
If you know lang dapat.
Pag inopen mo, dun palang parang yung matcha powder. Look at this. Homemaker training. Freshly baked bread.
Sige, go. Kain lang kayo, guys.
Bawal pa
Sige. Tell me na sira chan mo. Ito. Ay, baon. Handa ako.
Skyflakes versus Frankies.
Handa ako sa inyo. Okay, where are we going?
We're going to open house today, so it's like the coffee shop of Salon and yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Super duper cute. You go in here, go up the elevator, and then go up some stairs.
Okay.
Worth it.
Ay! My God! Okay, guys, may hidden room siya. If you know lang dapat. Okay.
Pag inopen mo, dun palang babagsak yung matcha powder.
No.
Open.
Alam mo talaga, Japan is living in 2050.
Ayun no, may green na siya.
Dun palang babagsak yung matcha powder.
Ang galing!
Galing na siya.
Tuwang-tuwa naman ako.
I'd offer you, pero may chat problems eh.
Ah, wag na, wag na.
Kasi sa'yo kasi matcha girly ka na.
Oo, wag na. Wag
No,
na.
baka masisip pa.
Hey guys, we are gonna get ready because I have to color my hair because tomorrow I have an early work day. I'm gonna make sure my hair is touched up and ready to go for the work week. Then I also have a fun trip this week. I also have to pack, buy some things and run some errands like medicine kasi natakot na ako from that last trip. So I want to make sure that my first aid kit, fever medicine, cough, cold, like I want to pack everything kasi natakot na talaga ako dun sa last trip na pinagdaanan ko. So I'll probably just wear athleisure para comfy tayo and madaling kumilos. This is what I'm gonna wear today. Ito yung Skims. Ito yung suot ko talaga kapag traveling or mga days na ayokong mag-isip. Mali yata ako guys. I think Lululemon to. Hindi ko sure. Since baka kulayan yung hair ko, I wanna be strategic about what I'll wear. Malamig yung aircon doon, so I need a jacket. Pero since kukulayan, bawal yung mataas yung coil, yung ganito. Kasi syempre baka malagyan. I will just wear a black tank top on top of... Tatakpan natin to ng jacket so hindi yan makikita. May little pandaraya. Parang mas okay kung itok-in ko siya. Sobrang useful nito. As in, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit every week. This jacket from Uniqlo. Ito yata yung parang UV protection jacket nila. Black and brown lang tayo today. Simple. Let's go. The salon. Finished in the salon and I did not think this through. I was supposed to run some errands pa, pero medyo nahihiya ako sa balat ko na ganito tsura ko. There's one I can do, I think, na feeling ko walang tao. So, yun feeling ko kaya ko. Yung iba parang maka-grab delivery ko na lang. Nakakahiya. Wish me luck. Let's go. Okay. I'm back home and I'm keeping this in because I'm actually hoping I can keep this until tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to sleep in this. I'll try. Tomorrow's already fully packed. I have hosting in the morning, and then Patricia's birthday lunch in the afternoon. Then I have to go to the airport because I'm flying out at night. So this is the only time I have to pack my suitcase. But I also want to put self-tanner on, so let's pack for my trip. Figured I would kill 2 birds with 1 stone, so I am currently tanning while my hair is doing its thing, and then we're gonna throw in the clothes. So right now all we have are the shoes, underwear, and bras. Clothes are going in. All we need now is my travel steamer. I had this for so many years. Ilang beses ko na ito nabanggit. I will link it down below for you guys. A smaller makeup kit. At dahil natakot na tayo sa pinagdaanan ko last time, handa na tayo with my medicine kit. And all I need are my toiletries, and we're good to go. Okay, we're on our way to Pat's birthday lunch, pero I stopped by Mercury kasi bumili muna ako ng mga gamot na kulang kahapon. And I also bought some things that I need for the trip, so now we're headed to lunch with the girls. Let's go.
Tell me everything.
Happy birthday!
You know I'm listening. Hours pass us by. Yeah, we could talk all night. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold.
Happy birthday! Happy Happy birthday to you. Kanya-kanyang tono, ha?
Happy birthday.
Harmonize, diba?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Dali!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday. Hindi nakakamanila.
Girl,
Everything that you do makes me love you.
hey guys, I can finally share where I flew to, and we are currently in Cebu. Chris is on her way to pick me up. We're just gonna hang out. This is actually a very spontaneous trip. I think today we are going to just grab some coffee and some matcha and then run some errands together. She has tennis tonight and then I have dinner planned, so we're gonna hang out more tomorrow. But right now, I'm just getting ready. She's on her way. And then we'll see you in a bit. In fairness, dito sa 2-in-1 na to, ano kasi siya, pwede siyang curler, ganyan. Tapos kapag binuksan mo siya dito, nagiging flat iron siya. So, ito lang yung dala ko kapag I'm traveling. Kasi, syempre, imbis na magdala ka ng dalawa, diba? Isa na lang. Which is cool. If you guys want a link for this, ililink ko siya sa description box.
I wrote a note upon
fold. Manual. Pretend na lang, guys, my arm's not there. Ang ghetto.
How sad is that, girl? Put it here.
Okay.
But it's gonna fall.
It's gonna fall when you drive, eh. Okay, so we're gonna see Chris drive. I don't know if I've ever seen you drive, but we'll see.
Without you, babe, going through the motions. Without you, babe, going through the motions. Without you, babe, going through the motions. Without you, babe. A 1, 2, 3. I found a needle in the stack of hay.
Girl, nahiya ka pa.
How Pinoy can you be? Oh my gosh.
Thank you, ah. Grabe. Ka-thoughtful mo.
The rest of the coast was blocked by the sun. Now it doesn't feel the same. The oceans without you, babe.
Okay, iba na ang mga hangout natin ngayon, girl. Grocery! Dati, Opus. Ngayon, errands.
I need a source of strength to borrow. What the hell am I to do tomorrow? Whoa. 2, 3, 4.
Hey guys, it is day 2 in Cebu, and Chris is on her way to pick me up. Yesterday we ran errands, went to the grocery, went to the pharmacy, like sobrang iba na ng trip namin. Now, it looks like I'm moving into her house, but it's cause I'm spending the whole day with her and we're starting off with Pilates, which is, again, so far from what our trips used to look like. Now, we are Pilates. Well, she's a Pilates mom, I'm just a Pilates girly. And yeah, this is what I'm bringing. I'm moving into her house and I'm gonna change and everything after so that I don't have to keep coming back here. So let's go. You can tell already.
Pasadena in July, hotter than the sun. I've got a beautiful memory from summer of 21. Well, sir, I heard you, the museum is closed. Now I look at my watch, it's 4:45.
or you want air? Okay.
Look at this homemaker training. Freshly baked bread. Who is she?
Girl, ano na?
How far we've come.
Dati, ano, how to work.
How to work na.
The haze has cleared, it's a beautiful day, and I can't help but feel that all will be fine. I turned to laugh and wiped tears from my eyes, though it hurts to endure such a wistful goodbye.
Hey guys, we're back in Manila. The trip was super short lang. I squeezed in any free time I had to maximize the time I had with Chris. But hopefully we do get to see each other soon. So we're backstage at work right now. We are gonna do a run through. We're currently at the launch of the fall collection for Uniqlo, and I'm so excited to be the host. Turns out I'm also working today with some friends. Solen and Jasmine are coming over, and they are going to be part of the program. So we're sharing a dressing room, so it's probably going to be makulit later on. And I am going to do a run through with the team really quick. So I'm just going to finish my hair and makeup, but I wanted to show you guys something really cool. I think napakita ko na to sa inyo before, pero to show you again, eto yung dala ko. This is my pang retouch or hair straightener. Sobrang liit lang niya and naka-charge lang siya sa power bank. Ganyan lang. Okay. So kung walang power bank, ganyan lang siya kaliit. I'll show you with my hand. It's super small. I found this sa Donkey when I was in Japan. Super mura lang. Pero if you want a link online to something available here in Manila, then I will look for one and I will link it in the description box. But this one specifically, nakuha ko siya sa Donkey. So if you guys are going to Japan anytime soon, you can check it out. So let's fix my hair a little bit. Or actually, you know what? I'll do it later before I go on stage para maayos na siya. Kasi with the humidity and it's raining outside, gugulo pa yan ulit. So last na natin gagawin to.
Winter collection.
All winter.